In my last video, I show you how to create a vertical funnel chart which show you the total count, name along with the percentage. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to create horizontal funnel chart. Now this chart is totally dynamic. For example, if I update this value to let's say 1 lakh, each and everything is totally dynamic. If I simply update any other value, for example, so you can see the chart is dynamically updated. How we need to create this amazing chart, I'm going to show you each and everything in this video. Consider we have this 2 column of data sheet. We need to add on the very end a null row and we need to type a 0 value for this. From this table, we need to create our helper table, and from our helper table, we need to create our main chart. For the stage column, we need to type a very easy formula, type equal, select the stages and percent, character 10 function which is a line break, and percent again. Now simply type text function, open parenthesis, click the current value, hit comma. For the format, in this case, I'm going to type hash comma hash hash, quotation mark again, close parenthesis, hit enter, and now simply drag this formula till the end of data sheet. For the middle column, simply type equal, select the current value, hit enter and simply drag till the end of data sheet. For the left column, I'm going to type 0 for the first row and also for the right column. Now on the second row, we need to type equal, open parenthesis, select the first value, hit F4 key to log the reference, subtract this value from the current value, close parenthesis and divide the result by 2, hit enter and simply drag till the end of data sheet. On the right column, I'm going to simply type equal, select this value and simply drag till the end of data sheet. For the percent of session, on the very first row, I'm going to type 100%. On the second row, I'm going to type a very easy formula, type equal, select the current value, divide this by the first value, hit F4 key to log the reference. Now hit enter and simply drag till the end of data sheet. And this will calculate the percent based on the first value. Now our data sheet are ready. We need to select the first 4 column. Click on insert, recommended chart, all chart, stake area chart. We need to select 100% stake area chart and simply hit OK. Now I will move this chart on a lower area and simply increase the height and width of this chart a little bit more. The next thing, I'm going to delete the chart title. We don't need the legend. We don't need horizontal x-axis. For now, I'm going to keep the vertical x-axis. Later, we will also delete this one. Now, I will click on my chart, hit Ctrl C and hit Ctrl V. Now, I will click Change Chart Type, Combo. Now, here you can see 3 series, left, middle, right, and we have another set of 3 series, left, middle, right. For the first 3 series, I will select Stake Line Chart. And for the last 3 series, I'm going to select Stake Area Chart. Now I will simply hit OK. The next thing, we need to remove the color from this area and this area. Simply click here, Format, Shape Fill and simply select No Fill. Again click here, Shape Fill and simply select No Fill. I think we need to off the grid line. Simply click here and simply uncheck the grid line as well. Now we don't need this line, click here, and now for the shape outline, simply select No Outline. I think we need to select the same color I show you on my image. So far we are good enough. The only thing, we need to divide this chart on a portion. So what I need to do, I will click on my chart, click here, and now you can see we have select a middle series. Click on plus button, apply error bar. More error bar options. In this case, I will select the minus direction, no cap, and for the error amount, we need to select percentage and simply type 100%. Now I will click fill and lines. We need to increase the width of this, let's say about 5 point. I think this is too much, so we need to add, let's say 3 point. For the color, we need to select a white fill color. Now if I click outside, this is how we can divide our chart. Now our chart is almost ready. The only thing we need to show data label. So first I'm going to show you percentage data label on the middle of this chart. So you can see this chart start from 0 to 100%. This is take area chart. So we need to add a line on 50% and there we need to show a data label. So click on my chart, chart design, select data, add a new series. In this case for the series name mid data label, and for the video simply select the entire data set. Now simply hit OK and hit OK. Click on change chart type. On the very bottom you can see another series. Simply make this on secondary x-axis. Instead of 100% take line chart, we need to select a normal line chart. Okay, and now simply hit OK. Now you can see this start from 0 to 60%. We need to align this x-axis. Click here, right click, format x-axis. The max value we need to set, let's say 1, and the main value will be set 0. And now close format x-axis window. Now you can see our line on the middle of this chart. The next thing, again I will click on my chart, format. We need to select our midline, mid data label line, plus button, and now simply check data label, more data label options, value from cell. In this case I will select the actual session percentage. Simply hit OK and check the actual value and show leader line. For the position, I think the right position is OK. Click on home, increase the font size a little bit. Make the font color white font color. Hit Ctrl B to make it bold as well. Now I will close this window and we need to select this line again. Click on format and simply choose no outline color. And this is how we can display a data label on the middle of chart. Now we need to display actual count and the name on the bottom of this chart. So for this, I will click on my chart again. Click on this bottom area. You can see a leaf series has been selected. Plus button, apply a data label. More data label options. Value from cell. In this case, I will select the stages. Simply hit OK. I need to uncheck the actual value and show leader line. For the label position, in this case, I will select below position. The next thing, I will increase the height of this chart a little bit more. And now click on format. We need to select only the plot area. And I will decrease the plot area a little bit more. So we can perfectly see our data label. The only thing is, here we can see a null data label. Simply click and click again and hit delete key this null data label. Now click on data label again, hit Ctrl B to make it bold. If you want the same color, you can select the same as per the fill color.